Hey, what up YouTube? Kinda forgot to put this video together with the benchmarking and overclocking video of the GTX 550 Ti, but since I have my case already open and everything, I will give you guys a little tour of my system. I contacted Cooler Master and I asked them about a aftermarket cooler, the Hyper 212, and they said it would actually fit in the Elite 430 case, which is what I have. So I'm going to be planning to get that with the push-pull system. Need a couple more other fans. Here's the 550. You guys haven't been able to really see it, but there's the 550. I'm probably going to get another one and run it in SLI. They're fairly cheap. I got it on sale for really cheap. Got the 4 gigs of G.skill DDR3, 1600 OC, and those are overclocked. CX600 Corsair power supply, dual hard drives that needs to get changed. Still need the SSD drive for my primary, and there's not really much left to do with this system. And so far, with a steady 7.3 score for under 1,000, it's pretty decent. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.